Alright, today I'm going to try and change the gearbox oil. It hasn't been done since I bought the boat. So first things is to remove the dipstick and put it somewhere safe. Now I've got to try and find the drain plug. Right, I can't seem to find the drain plug, but I brought me vacuum pump and don't know if you can see that, but it don't fit in the hole. So we're going to have to go to plan B. Right, we've got the sump plug out, and if you look there, that's where the dipstick goes, and you can see the light at the bottom. So not sure how much oil should be in there, but hardly any came out. So I'm just going to leave it for a while to drain. Then I'm going to flush it through with some new fluid and then drain it again and put fresh fluid in. Right, work's had to stop. The battery on my rechargeable torch died, so that's charging. Also, the sump plug is missing the sump plug washer. This probably explains why it's been leaking. As you can see, there's a groove there. There should be I think it's a copper washer. So, oh well, gonna have to go and get one of them. This is the oil that came out of it. Rather dirty. I know some of the oil didn't go into the catch pan, but I'm sure there should be more oil than that in the gearbox. Well, we'll find out. Now I'm going to have to go and find a sump plug washer, which is okay because it'll give time for the torch to charge. So back later.
2 hours later.
Right, that was a bit of an epic trip just to get a sump plug washer. Went to 2 Alfords, then I found a place called All Parts in Hemel Hempstead, which were very helpful, and managed to get one. So we can go and fill the oil up now.